Hello everybody. Welcome to No1doctor channel. Today we will talk about one of the famous doctors. Percivall Pott, 1714 to 1788. Scrotal cancer, Pott's fracture, Pott's disease of the spine, Pott's puffy tumor. Percivall Pott was a remarkable clinical observer, as commemorated by the diseases he described. He was the first to associate scrotal cancer, which was common in child chimney sweeps, with the effects of the soot now known to contain carcinogenic hydrocarbons. In addition, his name is associated with his descriptions of tuberculosis of the spine and its associated paraplegia, with fractured dislocation of the ankle and the cutaneous swelling, puffy tumor, and osteomyelitis of the frontal bone secondary to frontal sinusitis. Percivall Pott was born in Threadneedle Street in the city of London in 1714. His father was a scrivener, a drafter of legal documents. At the age of 15, young Pott was apprenticed to Edward Norse, then assistant surgeon at St. Bartholomew's Hospital. In 1736 Pott passed the searching examination to obtain the Grand Diploma of the Barber Surgeons' Company, corresponding in some respects with obtaining the diploma of the Fellowship of the Royal College of Surgeons. In 1744, he was appointed assistant surgeon at Bart's, and in 1749 became full surgeon. He soon acquired a great reputation as a teacher, and is attributed with pioneering the introduction of the lecture demonstration format of teaching. He wrote extensively on a wide range of surgical topics. Pott retired from the staff of St. Bartholomew's in 1787 and died the following year from pneumonia. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in more next videos. With my best wishes. Dr. Ahmed.